There's something about people at Mines who have been here for quite a while. They all sort of work together in a way like they've known each other for years, even if they've just met each other.
It's somewhere that you work with people, you're given a complex problem, and no, it's not easy. But at the end of the day, when you come to that solution, whatever it may be, you're like, you know what, that was awesome.
Being an ore digger to me means to be a problem solver, especially coming into the energy sector where we have one of the most challenging problems to solve out there. Having the academic and the professional development that I had here at Mines will help me tackle these problems.
My research was with the Critical Materials Institute, and in that group, we collaborated with national labs, other universities, as well as industrial partners.
A lot of the networking opportunities that I got through student organizations or through the Career Center or even through the faculty that I've had. As an international student, I never thought I'd be having this many connections and opportunities.
There's a load of opportunities here that I don't think I'd get elsewhere.
So you have 6 different people working together. There's a lot of different ideas, and narrowing those down in that group work, I think, is probably one of the biggest life skills.
You don't really get to practice that, but at Mines, I've had the chance to do that several times over.
You come to Mines thinking, well, all these people are going to be the same as me. Like, we're all nerds, we're all going to love math and all that. But then you realize there's different attitudes and ideologies and philosophies about what we're learning, and maybe the ethics about what we're doing every day with this incredible knowledge that we're gaining.
Right now, I'm doing a postdoc working on sustainable critical mineral supply.
So my goal is to help decarbonize the energy economy.
There's a big emphasis on environmentally friendly designs, especially with regards to sustainability, things like plants and vegetation, but also new materials. That's going to be powerful.
I think if you go to Mines, at some level you want to change the world. And if that's just in small ways, using your engineering skills to better our society or to build things that serve the community better, then that's amazing.
I came to Mines because I thought it was going to be just an engineering school that I could get through. I leave Mines with this incredible base of friends who can help me out, knowledge that can really help me work really well, and I'm leaving Mines hungry to help people, to make the world better, to use what I've learned to make a better world.